Okay, so I'm going to do the final testing on my device here. The first step was to verify that it powers up okay, and basically plug in 12 volts AC adapter, AC-DC adapter, and the USB. So I did all that and confirmed that power came on. Next step is to test my solenoid. So I'm gonna open that, which is opened already here. Right now, so set the now to a later time than the current time. I actually had that set to before, but it should be later, so I changed it. So right now it's 7:48. I'm just gonna change it to 7. Make that 40. Since it's almost 49, let's say, yeah, let's do 49. I'm gonna upload that quick. Hopefully we can make the time. If it's past the time, it won't actually do anything. So let's see if it actuates. Looks like it's done uploading. 7:49. Open the serial monitor here, check what time it is. So it looks like, oh, and there we go, 7:49, and it just actuated. So it's a bit slow. It's still a few seconds off compared to my real time here. So, but that should be close enough to suffice. So yeah, here we are. It's latched on, and it's staying on. So here we can see the relays on. So now, if we go to the next step, we're gonna check the RTC. Basically, open the serial monitor, which I already have up here. And then just verify that the clock matches the current time, which it does. And then we're gonna test the RFID next. Verify solenoid plunger is still actuated, which it is. Position RFID key tag to be in range of the RFID reader. Verify the plunger deactivates, and like 30 seconds it'll reactuates. Actually, in this case, I think I have it set to 3 seconds only for it to unlock. Yeah, right here, 3 seconds here. So it should, if I it should unlock for 3 seconds and then lock again. So 2, 3. Okay, we'll do that again. 1, 2, 3. So there we go. So that works. Now that's it. Reset the program to lock at 10 o'clock, and should be good to go. So if we go up here, 10 o'clock military time, 22, this to 0, and then 6. So we should be good to go. Just gonna upload this. And once it loads a new program, the solenoid deactivates. And done uploading. And there we have it.